Hi, my name is Cindy Kight, and I am the daughter of Mirella Knudsen, who lives at the Legacy in El Paso, Texas. And I want to thank all the people there who make her feel loved and happy every day, and for the peace of mind that you've given me, because I know that you take great care of her. There's a quote by Maya Angelou that says, "Family isn't always blood. It's the people in your life who want you in theirs, the ones who accept you for who you are, the ones who would do anything to see you smile and who love you no matter what." And that's kind of how I feel about the Legacy. It's not just like a place where my mom lives. I feel like they're really family and they truly care about her. They make her smile even though she's been on lockdown for a long time now and she has to eat in her room alone, and I felt bad for her for that, but they still come in and they say nice things to her, smile, take her pictures, send them to me. All these little things just make me feel like we are connected to one another, and I want to thank you so much for taking care of my mom. You guys are wonderful and I love you.